Now we are going to look at that how to create the voucher in Tally ERP9. Based on that, I have created the questions to you. Prepare the trial balance and vouchers in the book of MS&O company as on 31st/3/2018. So first step on, we have to go to the Tally software. I have created this company, M&O company. There is no vouchers entries, and the current period 1/4/2018 to 31st/3/2019. The current date Sunday 1st April 2018. So now we are going to look at that the opening balance capital 500. So how can we enter? We have already studied about it. Go to the accounts info, ledger, single ledger, create. So the capital, I'm going to type capital account. So we can see capital, you can see the capital, and then how much? 500,000 credit. Yes. The second one, case 200. So if we press a page up key, the default account will be appear. Up to case account you have to press, so case account comes. So I'm going to be type here how much? 200,000 debit. Then the next one, machineries 100. So the machineries 100,000 machineries. This is a fixed assessed. How much? 100,000. So 100,000 debit. The next one is Ramu company. So I'm going to be type Ramu company is a Sunday debtors, because they give that bill number and the debtors. So I'm going to type here Ramu company is a Sunday debtors, and then the maintenance bill, yes, Ramu company. How much that amount? 100. So we have to name is a bill number. We can put bill number is 1221, and then credit date no need, and then yes, so it will be recorded. The last one is HSB Bank 100, HSBC Bank. So I'm going to be type here, I'm going to be HSB Bank. It is under the bank account. If you select bank account, so the current asset amount is 100,000 debit. So you can see that the balance debit equals to credit, so it will be same. So our sum is correct, 500 debit and 500 credit. So our accounts opening balance is equal, so I'm going to be safe. The next one, we have to enter the Contra voucher F4. You know that if we press the F4 key into the keyboard, the Contra voucher will be activated. So now we are going to look at the sample Contra voucher transaction and how can we enter into the Tally program. So the first one, case deposit to HSBC Bank 50,000. So if we deposit the bank, HSB Bank, what will happen? What is the double entry? The double entry is very important. If you're going to be enter the voucher or enter the transaction into the Tally software, the double entry system, it's a very important. That's why I took the first chapter. It's a double entry system. So cash deposit HSB bank, what will happen? Cash decrease, so cash account credit, and HSB bank amount increase, so HSB bank account debit. So the first we are going to look at that. Come back, and now we are going to gateway of Tally, and if you are going to be enter the transaction into the voucher, choose accounting voucher. Before going to start, if you want to be change the double entry mode, sometime it is become a single entry mode. If it is a single entry mode, you need to be change it. So how can we change it? You can press F12 key, or otherwise click the configurations, and after that you can see the second one is use single entry mode or payment receipt or Contra voucher. I'm going to be type here no, then enter the keyboard. Then now you can see that the payment voucher, Contra voucher, and receipt voucher, it is now double entry mode. And now it's the payment voucher is ready, but we have to be choose the Contra voucher. If you press F4 key, the Contra voucher, it will be activate. So the Contra voucher, it will be activate right now. So the first we have to enter credit. So what is the credit? In the first transaction, cash account credit, HSBC account debit. So cash account credit, I'm going to be type here, and the list of ledger it will become. So the cash account credit. So how much is a credit? 50,000. So I'm going to be type 50,000 credit. The next one, HSBC bank, it will be increased. So HSBC bank will be increased because I have already created HSBC bank. So I'm going to be select 50,000, and the narration is being cash deposit to HSBC bank 50,000. Being cash deposit to HSB bank 50,000, then enter. So the transaction, it's recorded. So now you can see the number 2 it will become. It means that second transaction, it will need to be recorded right now. So the second transaction is HSBC bank OD received 20,000. What will happen if we receive the OD, bank OD account credit, and bank account HSBC bank account debit? So this is the transaction, because bank OD is one of the liabilities. So if it is increased, it's a credit, and bank account, the amount will be increased, bank account amount will be increased, so that's what it will be debit. So this is the double entry. So how can we enter into the Tally software? So the Contra voucher, HSBC bank OD account credit, first bank OD account credit. So there is no bank OD account, so we have to be create. If we want to be create the ledger, Alt plus C, the ledger creation will be appear. So we have to be type here bank OD, bank OD. It is coming under the bank OD account. It is current liability, loan liability. Okay, so then enter. So the bank OD account we have created, the amount is bank OD 20,000. So we have to be recorded 20,000 credit. So the next one, what will happen? HSBC bank account increase. So this is 20,000, right? So the narration is being HSBC bank OD received 20,000, right? So we have to be type here being HSBC bank OD received 20,000. Just enter and accept yes. So the next one is cash withdraw from HSBC bank. If we withdraw money from the bank, what will happen? Bank amount decrease, So cash amount increase. So cash account debit, HSBC account credit. So first we have to be enter the credit amount. So it is HSBC bank account 30,000. So HSBC bank account 30,000. Then what will happen? Cash account, it will be debit 30,000. The narration is being cash withdraw from HSBC bank 30,000. So narration is being cash withdraw from HSBC bank 30,000. So then enter. Yes. So the next one, HSBC bank OD settle. If we OD settle, we need to be settled through the HSBC bank. So HSBC bank account credit or decrease, so that's what credit. Then bank OD also decrease, so bank OD account debit. So first we have to be record credit side. So HSBC account 15,000. So we have to be choose HSBC bank 50,000, and then the bank OD account debit 50,000. Correct? Yes. So the narration is bank OD settle being HSBC bank OD settle. So that's the narration. Then okay, accept yes. So the next one is payment voucher. So if we want to be activate the payment voucher, we need to be press F5, or we need to be click here the payment voucher. So the payment voucher, first debits we have to enter, then credit. So now we are going to look at the first transaction of the payment voucher. Case discount allowed 2,500. So if the case discount allowed, cash account decrease, so case discount allowed is one of the expenses, it is increase. So if it is a expenses increase, it's a debit, and the case decrease, so that's a credit. So case discount account debit 2,500, case account credit 2,500. So first we have to be create case discount allowed account. So now I'm going to be create case discount allowed account into the tally. So if I want to be create the ledger old plus C, case discount allowed account, it is coming under the indirect expenses. So the amount is 2,500, and second one credit is cash account. So we have to choose the case account 2,500. So the narration is being case discount allowed to customer 2,500. So the being case discount allowed to customer 2,500. Then yes. So the second payment voucher entry, cash withdraw for the owner's personal use, it's called drawing. So drawing account debit, cash account credit. So first we have to create the drawing account. So I'm going to be type drawing, it is coming under the capital account. So debit how much? 5,000. So I'm going to be type 5,000, and then cash account credit, cash account credit 5,000. So the narration is being cash withdraw for the owner personal use. So then enter yes. So the next one, computer purchase 25,000, computer purchase 25,000. So if we purchase the computer account debit and cash account credit. So we don't have a computer account into the account, so we have to be created new ledger for the computer. So I'm going to be type computer. It is coming under the fixed asset. So the computer account how much? 25,000. So I'm going to be typing here 25,000 debit, and then cash account credit 25,000. So the narration is being computer purchased 25,000 by cash. So we have to be type here being computer purchased 25,000 by cash, then accept yes. So the next one, amount paid to Rahman company 1,500, bill number 25. We have a Rahman company now, so we have to create it. So amount paid to Rahman company 1,500, bill number 25. So Rahman company account debit and the cash account credit 1,500. So what should I have to be do? Rahman company we paid, it means that he is a supplier, so Sunday creditors. So we have to create one of the account Rahman company Rahman company Sunday creditors. Sunday creditors, Sunday creditors. So how much Rahman company we paid 1,500. So the paid 1,500, it is new reference, the number is the bill number is 25. Yes, the second one is a credit to cash account credit. The narration is being paid to Rahman company 1,500. So 1,500. So then accept yes. So the next one is paid salary by check 3,000, check number 2515. So if we paid through the check, so bank account will be decreased. So bank account credit, salary account is one of the expenses, it is increased, so debit. So salary account debit 3,000, bank account credit 3,000. So we have to create the salary account. So old plus C salary, and it is coming under the indirect expenses. Account 3,000, I think. Yeah, salary 3,000. So I'm going to be type 3,000, and then bank account credit, because this is check issues, HSB's bank account credit 3,000. So the narration is being salary paid by check 3,000. So we have to be type here 3,000, and we have to enter the check number 2515, then close because when we look at this narration check number we issued, we can check it if it is anything wrong. So that's what we have to be enter the narration check number or reference number, whatever we have to enter the narration. So I'm going to be accept, then yes.